General Hospital spoilers and updates tease 4 catastrophic decisions could lead to significant fallout. Certain missteps are bound to result in deep regrets, so let's discuss some poor choices in the residents of Port Charles who will come to wish they had thought twice. Sonny's scary consequences for his surgery delay. Sonny Corinthos, Maurice Bernard, has been delaying his heart surgery while he investigates the person responsible for the penthouse explosion. The longer he postpones the procedure, the higher the risk of experiencing a serious cardiac event that he might not recover from. There's a chance he could collapse again under even more severe conditions. Taking a couple of pills might not be effective next time, which could lead to an emergency situation requiring immediate surgery. His family and friends may be left anxious about his survival. Sonny's surgery could cause his territory to be targeted. Because of Sonny's procrastination, he may have to do things in a way he hadn't intended. He may have to undergo the surgery in Port Charles sooner than anticipated, rather than at the out-of-town facility he originally considered. Although Sonny is expected to recover, his enemies will be aware of his serious heart condition and could exploit this weakness to undermine his control over his territory. This predicament might unintentionally endanger his family and friends. Willow's signature to make Drew her children's legal guardian. Then there's Willow Corinthos, Catelyn McMullen. Poor choice to sign those documents that name Drew Cameron Matheson, as the legal guardian of her children in case something happens to her. Drew is not someone to be trusted, and Willow should have taken more time to understand what she was agreeing to. There's a chance that Drew misled Willow and included some hidden, troubling clauses in that agreement. Even without that, what Willow appears to have signed is concerning. It's hard to believe that Drew's recent actions would hold up in court, especially since Michael Corinthos, last played by Chad Duell, still has parental rights. There may be an out. Jack Brennan, Chris McKenna, has suggested that Drew may have overstepped and made a mistake that could benefit Carly Spencer, Laura Wright. These guardian papers could create issues and might jeopardize Willow's custody, leading her to regret her trust in Drew. Carly may have to go through the complicated and sad process of proving Willow an unfit mother to get custody of her grandchildren herself. Of course, that could blow the fragile peace between Carly and Nina Reeves, Cynthia Watros, to smithereens, even if Nina agrees to the desperate measure. Kay's experimental procedure goes wrong. Kai Taylor, Jen's Austin Astrup, is making a mistake by disregarding Portia Robinson's Brooke care, advice, and overlooking the warning signs that Trina Robinson, Tabiana Ali, is noticing. He believes he knows better, but he might regret not heeding her counsel if this advanced procedure takes a turn for the worse. The more confident Kai is about his chances of success, the less likely it seems that he will return to the football field. GD spoilers indicate that Kay's surgery could fail, potentially leading to significant disappointment or even paralysis, depending on how the situation unfolds. From what Portia uncovered about the experimental procedure, there were even patients who died. Alexa's attempt to protect Christina ends catastrophically. Alexis Davis, Nancy Lee Grahn, believes she is safeguarding Christina Corinthos Davis, Kate Mancy, by repaying Ava Jerome's, Maura West, divorce settlement and ensuring her silence. However, there may be a moment when Alexis regrets not heeding Diane Miller's Carolyn Hennessy suggestion to have Christina committed. Christina is in need of mental health support, which could become clear again if she learns about the blackmail and tries to harm Ava once more.